Albert Einstein, the smartest man in the world? Actually, no. Despite popular belief, Albert Einstein was not the smartest man in the world. In fact, he himself would disagree with that statement. Why is it that we think of him as being the smartest man in the world? Well, it's because of his contributions to science. He developed the theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. He also developed the famous equation E equals mc squared, which demonstrates the equivalence of mass and energy. These are just some of his many scientific achievements. However, intelligence is not just about scientific achievement. There are many different forms of intelligence, such as emotional intelligence and social intelligence. And Einstein was actually quite lacking in these areas. He was often insensitive and inappropriate in his social interactions, and he was also not very good at managing his emotions. In fact, he was known for being quite a crier. There is also the issue of what we mean by smartest. Are we talking about intelligence in the traditional sense, such as IQ? Or are we talking about creativity or the ability to come up with innovative solutions to problems? If we define intelligence narrowly as IQ, then there are many people who are smarter than Einstein. For example, according to the Stanford-Binet Intelligence Scale, the average IQ of the population is 100. Einstein's IQ was estimated to be between 160 and 170. This means that there are people with IQs higher than his. But it doesn't necessarily mean that they are smarter than him in all respects. Moreover, intelligence is not a static trait. It can be developed and cultivated over time. So even if someone is smarter than Einstein in terms of IQ, it doesn't mean that they are smarter than him in all respects. Einstein was known for his ability to come up with innovative solutions to problems, such as his theory of relativity. This type of intelligence is more difficult to measure, but it is probably what we are referring to when we say that Einstein was the smartest man in the world. In conclusion, while Albert Einstein was undoubtedly one of the smartest men in the world, it is an exaggeration to say that he was the smartest man in the world. There are many different types of intelligence, and many people who are smarter than Einstein in certain respects. Moreover, intelligence is not a static trait and can be developed over time. So it is possible that there are people who are smarter than Einstein in some respects, and will become smarter than him in others over time. What do you think? Do you agree with this statement? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Albert Einstein, I highly recommend the book Einstein, His Life and Universe by Walter Isaacson. It is a great biography that covers not only his scientific achievements, but also his personal life and the historical context of his discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.